Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. The Gatkalika Devi temple is located in which city? Right answer is option A, Ujjain. Which article in the Indian Constitution deals with grants in aid to states from the Union government? Right answer is option B, Article 275. Which device is used to detect lies? Correct answer is option B, polygraph. Which state in India shares the longest border with Myanmar? Right answer is option D, Arunachal Pradesh. What was India's sex ratio according to the 2011 census? Right answer is option B, 943 females per 1000 males. Which country has hosted the Asian Games the most times? Right answer is option D, Thailand. What is the spice commonly referred to as black gold in India? Correct answer is option C, black pepper. What is measured using the octane number? Right answer is option C, petrol quality. Which article provides for the tenure of the President of India? Right answer is option B, Article 56. The Venkateshwara temple is located in. Right answer is option B, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Where is the National Rice Research Institute located? Right answer is option B, Cuttack, Odisha. Why does the sky appear blue? Right answer is option D, due to scattering of light. Which of the following taxes is levied and collected by the state government? Right answer is option D, all of the above: estate duty, land revenue, and sales tax. Where is Vaishno Devi temple located? Right answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Within how many months must the president's vacancy be filled? Right answer is option C, 6 months. Which is the longest national highway in India? Right answer is option A, National Highway 44. What is the term for gases like helium and neon? Right answer is option B, noble gases. The National Judicial Appointments Commission NJAC consists of which of the following members? Right answer is option D, all of the above: Chief Justice of India, two senior most Supreme Court judges, and the Union Minister of Law and Justice. The Chardham Highway project connects four holy places: Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, and Yamunotri, located in which state? Right answer is option C, Uttarakhand. What is the total length of India's coastline including islands? Right answer is option B, 11,098.81 kilometer. The Nagarjuna Sagar project lies in which two Indian states? Right answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. How many chambers are there in a human heart? Right answer is option C, four chambers. Which tax is levied and collected by the union government but shared between the union and the states? Right answer is option C, income tax. Where is the Mahabodhi temple situated? Right answer is option A, Bihar. Golden rice is genetically enriched with which vitamin? Right answer is option A, vitamin A. Which Indian city is home to the headquarters of the Indian Bureau of Mines? Correct answer is option C, Nagpur. Which Indian state shares the longest border with China? Right answer is option B, Arunachal Pradesh. What is the total number of schedules contained in the Constitution of India? Right answer is option C, 12 schedules. Where is the Minakshi Amman temple located? Right answer is option B, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination in the human body? Right answer is option C, cerebellum. The Indira Sagar Dam is constructed on which river? Right answer is option B, Narmada River. How many Indian states have coastlines with beaches? Right answer is option C, 9 states. The concept of the directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution was borrowed from which country? Right answer is option B, Ireland. In which state is the Siddhivinayak temple located? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Brass is an alloy consisting of. Right answer is option C, copper and zinc. What is the name of the southernmost point of India? Correct answer is option B, Indira Point. Who serves as the chairman of the National Integration Council in India? Correct answer is option D, Prime Minister. Which amendment of the Indian Constitution is associated with the implementation of the Goods and Services Tax? Right answer is option B, 101st Amendment. The Shore Temple at Mahabalipuram was built by. Right answer is option B, Narasimhavarman II. Which of the following is considered the hardest natural substance? Correct answer is option C, diamond. In which Indian city is the Tata Iron and Steel Company plant located? Right answer is option C, Jamshedpur. What is the total number of neighboring countries of India? Right answer is option B, 9. The term secular was added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution through which constitutional amendment? Right answer is option A, 42nd Amendment. Which rulers built the Ellora temples? Right answer is option C, Rashtrakutas. Which color does the sky appear to an astronaut in space? Right answer is option B, black. When is World Soil Day observed globally? Right answer is option D, 5th December. In which Indian state is the Nanda Devi peak located? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. The right to free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14 was made a fundamental right by which amendment? Right answer is option B, 86th Amendment. Thrissur Puram festival is celebrated in which temple? Right answer is option C, Vadakunnathan Temple. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.